Hi everybody, I'm Hulkan. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fine-tune your color of your monitor. First, enter the settings. If you don't know how to enter the settings, check our channel because we have a video for it. Then go into the picture and advanced settings. Here, select color and enter the color section. Here, as you can see, we have the fine-tune. Click on the fine-tune and click on color adjustment. Here we can disable color adjustment to off, set it to low, set it to medium, high, or user selection. Let's click the user selection and go back. Here we have the fine-tune. We can select the color, red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, or yellow. Here we have the adjust saturation of the color. As you can see, we can adjust the saturation. Here we have the adjust tint for our color. Here we have the adjust luminance for our color. And here we can reset our fine-tune setting to the default ones. Here, yes. And now we have the color adjustment medium again. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.